I'd like to show you how to remove the rear hub on a Jensen Interceptor. This is a job that many people struggle with and can initially appear to be difficult. With the correct tools, it's easy. I use this. It's made by Sykes Pickavant. It has 5 adjustable locating arms to bolt to the wheel studs. Hopefully you've still got 5 left, but I have released one with 3 studs on this. I've now done about a dozen cars with this, and every time it's been easy. It's bolted up, the end of it is adjusted down, and then a slogging hammer is used on the end here, and it's the pressure that the puller's exerting on the hub and the jerking action of hitting this with the hammer that will eventually release it. Let's have a look at this on the car. So here's the car. It's a Jensen SP, and for some work, one of the jobs we're going to be doing is taking these hubs off and putting new studs in there and a new set of nuts on. As you can see, this disc looks like it's been on there for a while, so hopefully it'll give you a true representation of taking one off that's been on for a while. I've removed the split pin from the nut there. You might see a few file marks on it, had some burrs on where it looks like someone's tightened it up with a chisel. So here's what we'll be using. Using the DeWalt impact gun to remove the hub nut, 38mm or 1.5" socket. We've got the Sykes Pickavant tool. The old nuts that were used, these will be going in the bin and a new set fitted. There'll be quite a bit of stress going on them. Just a lump hammer we use for slogging it off, and just for setting it up I've got a 3/4 ratchet there just to get the thing set up. So first of all, let's get the hub nut off. With the hub nut off, the first thing you're going to want to do is put it straight back on. This is to stop the whole thing flying off when it becomes loose. So if we just put it back on loosely, leaving a bit of room there for it to move off. And next, setting up the tool. So now the tool's firmly located, it's nicely centred, the hub nut's on, and it's nice and tight. Let's start slogging it and see how long it takes to get off. Heard the crack there? Hub is now loose. There you have it. I must say that was a particularly difficult one. Probably as awkward as I've experienced trying to get off. And with a few little gaps to get my breath back. That was filmed in real time there, knocking it off. So you see how long it should take with the right tool. So that's the job complete. I estimate it took somewhere between 3 and 5 minutes once the tool was set up to remove it from the hub. And that's pretty average. That was a particularly tight one, but this is the type of tool that you need and not hydraulic puller. There are other designs of tools that will remove them in a similar way to we've just demonstrated here, but you need something that you're going to put the jerking movement on by hitting it and not just a hydraulic puller. Even if it's rated at 10-20 tons and it sounds like a lot, it will not remove it.